Oh wow, what a beautiful website. Wow, guys, see this, how it is looking. This is the beautiful website. Wow, let me go to the services. Wow, what a beautiful design and how it is looking beautiful. Wow. So guys, today in this video, I am going to import this whole website to this website. So don't skip my video and do continue my video. Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I am going to show you how to install the theme with demo content, and I have shown you this website, and in my video I will go to install the themes and will import this demo websites. Okay, so to do this I am going to click on themes, which you can find it from left side under appearance, and currently I do have three themes already available, and current my active theme is 2022, and 2020 and 2021 are also available, but current activated theme is 2022. So now what I need to do is to install a new theme, and simply I'm okay. Let me go back. Okay, so simply I will click on add new to install a new theme. Okay, okay, do you see guys, this is the theme which I can install directly from admin side under themes management. Okay, here you can see lots of themes are available to install. Okay, okay, my current theme is 2022, which I already installed, second 2021 and 2020. Okay, so now I have shown you this website and how it is looking. This is beautiful website which I like, and I do want to build same website, and I will do install the Astra theme for it, and this is most popular, one of the most popular theme, Astra theme, which is free, and I can do install directly from here. So I'm going to install it by clicking on install button, and if you can see, it is installing, and it is processing. Let's wait so few seconds and it will be okay. Yes, it is installed, and what I need to do is to activate this theme. Okay, I will click on activate, and if you can see, my current activated theme is now Astra. Okay, now again I'm going to my website and going to click on front page, and if you can see, my theme is now changed. So this is how I will change my theme, or I will install my theme. Okay, so design of my website is now changed due to new theme, which is Astra theme. Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, so now what I need to do is to remove unwanted theme. Okay, which I can click on any theme details, and here you will find option to delete. I don't want this theme, so I'm going to delete these themes. Okay, which is 2021. Okay, now also I don't want this theme 2020. I will click on it and will click on delete. Okay, okay, so now I don't want extra themes or extra content to be there in my website. Okay, so I am going to Astra Options, which you can find it from under the appearance menu. Appearance, and here is the Astra Options. I'm clicking on it. Okay, so these are the Astra Options. So what I need to do is I need to import the starter template which I have seen here. That means pre-built website which I can import. Okay, I am click on starter template, and it has redirected me to this page, and here I can see many themes or templates are available. Some are premium and some are free. So no, my plan is to install free theme, and I have to find it here. It was basically digital market agency. Okay, it is not. You can see there are many templates are available. Let me search for it. Digital agency, I think. Okay, yes, here it is. If I do click it, and you can see this is the website which I need to import. Okay, I'm going to now click on install importer plugins. It will take a few seconds. Currently it is processing. You can see it here. After a few seconds, okay, my page is loading. We'll have to wait. Okay, blank page is displaying. Okay, not sure why it is displaying blank. I'm copy the admin URL and let me open dashboard again. But why this is displaying blank? Okay, no problem. Okay, here I've got starter templates options. But why this is displaying blank? Okay, no problem. Okay, now we receive the page starter templates. Internet security. I'm now click on the. Okay, let me go back again so you can. Okay, no problem. Let me go again to the admin, going to appearance, and click on starter templates, sorry. Okay, now I am in this page. Here is one YouTube video getting started with starter templates, and somebody is explaining, I think. Okay, now here I can see build your website now button, and I'm going to click on it. I will click on it, and I do have three options. Select page builder. Please choose your preferred page builder from the list below. So there are three options to select it, and these are page builder. I am going to select Elementor, and I need to select starter templates from this list. So I have chosen digital agency, I think. I'm doing search here. Okay, this is the digital agency which I have shown you here. Okay, so I have searched it and found it, and I'm going to select it, and I have selected digital agency template, which is free template, and here is the option to upload a logo of our. This is the logo of this digital agency template, and here we can upload our logo, but currently I am not doing it, and simply clicking on skip and continue. And now I have options to select the colors of the themes, and you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, basically 10 I think. Okay, yes, 11. So if I do need to change the color of theme, then I can change it from here. Okay, let me click on it and we'll see effect. Okay, I have click on here, and you can see some background colors and something changes, doing changes here. Okay, I'm clicking on here and you can see. Okay, 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 you can see how it is changing. So basically it is giving us option to select your theme colors. So same theme, sorry, we can install theme with same background or colors. So here is the options. Okay, I am doing remaining the default colors, and here is the option to choose the fonts. Okay, so here we can change it, but I am doing remain same, and I am going to simply click on continue, and now it is asking me some information about me, like my name, my email, and what time is, and I am building a website for my client or myself, etc. So I need to give some information. Here I am adding my name, I am adding my email, and I am selecting what I am beginner, then I select beginner, intermediate or expert. I am selecting here expert, and I am doing this website for myself. Okay, and I agree to no, I'm not clicking on it, and here is some option: import customizer settings, import widgets, install required plugins, import content, share non-sensitive data, etc, etc. So I need to select everything because installation requires some content and widgets, etc. So I need to import whole website. So I'm doing check all, and I'm doing simply click on submit and build my website. And if you can see in screen, it has started to import full website, and it will take a few minutes, I think, maybe couple of minutes, or 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. It depends on your internet speed. So currently, if you can see it, it is increased to 9%, now 11%, and it will take a few seconds or minutes, but it will be successfully installed and import the whole content. So let's wait for it. Okay, importing widget, final finishing, redirect you in 2 seconds, 1 second, 0 seconds. Oh yeah, congratulations, your website is ready, and look it. And it look just 1.4 minutes to build. Okay, I just built my website in 1.4 minutes with starter templates by Astra WV. Can't believe how it is. Okay, yeah. Okay, let me click here, view your website, and let me see how my website is looking. Oh wow, look at guys, look at this is my website, excellentwebdev.temp.co.za, and if you see here before how it was looking, but after the installation of new theme, Astra theme, and some process to import the content, demo content, and my website look is now amazing, awesome, great. It is mind-blowing. A website created in just a few minutes, and full demo content are imported. Let me go to visit to the services page, and now how services page is looking. So guys, this is how you can install theme, and if your theme is providing a demo content, then how easily you can build your website. So what you have to do is now you need to change the demo content. Here you can set your website logo. You can change some content according to your website. Here you can set your phone number, your address, your follows, social links, etc. Here is the form. In about page, you can set your about us page content. Remain the design same, or if you want to change it, you can simply do it from admin side, services page. You can set the content according to your website. Here is demo content, but you can change it from admin side. Home page. Wow, this is so beautiful. And this website built in just a few minutes. So guys, if you do like my videos, then hit the like button, share my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.